Alrighty, so here we are, and this is all about radicals of mixed index. And really what we're going to be doing is just digging all the way we can into all the properties of radicals. And we're going to be dealing with mixed index, which means that the root that we're taking will be different. So let's look at an example or two, and hopefully that will help to make sense. Alright, so here we're taking the 16th root. And so really what we can do is just break this all up as the 16th root of 81, which is 3 to the 4th, times the 16th root of x to the 8th, times the 16th root of y to the 12th. So that's the same as, kind of going backwards here, 3 to the 4 sixteenths times x to the 8 sixteenths times y to the 12 sixteenths, and now I can simplify a little bit. This is 3 to the 1/4, x to the 1/2, and y to the 3/4. And so now I want to write them all with the same index. So that would be, change colors here to make it stand out a little bit, 3 to the 1/4 times x to the 2/4 times y to the 3/4. So all of them have an index of 4 now, and it's going to be 3x squared y cubed. Alright, so that supposedly is the simplified version of that. The index is smaller, the powers are smaller, so it looks like it is. Alright, so that's one type of example. So here we step it up a little bit, and we do have different indices, right? A 6 and a 5, those are the indices. And so I do what I did before, I just break all of these up, x to the 1/6, y to the 1/6, z to the 3/6 times x to the 2/5, y to the 1/5, z to the 2/5. Okay, so now I want to get them so I can add them together, which means I need a common denominator. So what's that going to be? You see that it's going to be 30. So what do we get? Well, this is going to be x to the 5/30ths, y to the 5/30ths, z to the 15/30ths, x to the 12/30ths, y to the 6/30ths, and z to the 12/30ths. So now I can add them together. So I have x to the 17/30ths, y to the 11/30ths, z to the 27/30ths. I think that's all right. So this can finally be written as one radical expression, 30th, and it's going to be x to the 17, y to the 11, z to the 27. And that's as simple as that can be. Ugh, exhausting. But that's really all there is about mixed indices. So that'll cover us for that section. And when we come back, we'll be looking at section 8, and that's going to get into complex numbers. Sound like fun? See you then.